By the way, to do this, you need Blender and a PC.
So, hey guys, it's me, Sai. Oh shoot, why do I have a live stream chat? I was just doing a live. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Blender thumbnail or profile picture or anything really using Blender. So, there's not that many new ones. So, first, you're going to want to go either on Google or the link in the description and Gorilla IK rig. Click on the first one, GitHub, and press code and press download zip. Once you've downloaded it, open it in your files. Don't actually open it, but go into your files. Right click it and press extract all. Press extract. And then it should extract. What am I supposed to do? I pressed extract. What? Okay, so after you've extracted it, it'll be right here. So you're going to want to double click that, double click it again, and then press on the Blender one. Double click it. Oh, I don't think you'll. Yeah, double click it, and you'll go into Blender. So keep on this. So go back onto your browser and search Gorilla Stuff. Wait, no. Just go into the link in the description. So a link in the description will bring you to here. And then when you're here, you're gonna want to press code, download zip. It'll take a while. So not that long, I guess. So press show in folder. Press right click, extract all, extract. And refresh that. So, and then open it up. And hold up. This is for when you're in. Okay, so go back into Blender. Click on the gorilla name, press tab, and then delete it. Make sure to be on caps when you type your name, or else it'll just look like this. You can do it if you want, but I recommend caps. So type in your name, press tab again, and then if you want to scale it up or scale it down, press S and move your mouse. Scale it up and scale it down. To change the color, click on the mesh. Don't click here. Don't click here. Click here. Then press material, this thing. Then press primary color and change it to whatever color you like. Or just to your color code, really. It might be a bit laggy. Okay. So here's what I do if you want like to never mind. Alright, so if you want to get cosmetics, press on your profile picture, press file, imports, and then FBX. Press on downloads. Then go onto the girl tag stuff. Click on cosmetics. Click on FBX files. Search what cosmetic you want. So I'm just going to do bow tie. It has some cosmetics. And it doesn't have some cosmetics. It has most of the cosmetics, but like not the new ones and stuff. So, your thing will be pink. Click on shading, and then click on it again. Wait, what? And then press on, scroll out, and then press on this, and then press downloads, girl tag stuff, cosmetics again, hat textures, and then shiny hatless PNG. Wait, no, not shiny. Sorry, not shiny. Not shiny. Wait. So go back onto your downloads, girl tag stuff, go on cosmetics, hat textures, hatless PNG, and then it should show. And if it doesn't work, press that again, but don't go on hatless. If it doesn't work, then go on use this if it doesn't work. So yeah. And if you want it to have a face, you're gonna want to go to what's his name again? Squishy's. This video was inspired by Squishy. His Discord server, and then press on custom faces in downloads. Here it shows all the custom faces you can put on your thumbnails and stuff. So once you've gotten one that you want, press right click, press save image, save it, and then to put it on your thing, click on the color, then click on, wait, what do you do? Press shading, and then you're gonna wanna go into your file explorer, go into downloads, and where is it, bro? Overjoyed. So go into the one that you downloaded, drag it into here, and then you're going to want to drag color to face texture. It hasn't done anything, but you need to click on face texture change it to 1, and there it is. But it'll look blurry, so press liner, change it to closest, and then it won't be blurry anymore. Then press back on layout, and then if you want it to do a pose, click on the line, the circle thing, press object mode, change it to pose mode, and then click on the hand. And if they both move like this, whenever you move one, they both move, press the X on the top right. So you can move one at a time. So you can make it wave, you can make it start mewing, you can make it do anything. So I'm going to do the mewing because mine is mewing. Yeah, mewing is cool. Okay, to make the thumbs move or anything move, click on the circle bit and just rotate it. But make sure, if you want to do this, one thing you have to do is press. So originally, this will be down, and on the side, like right here, there'll be a button, then you'll press that, and then it goes up. I'll do a replay because I already did it. I'll do a replay. And then you can make it do anything. So yeah. And then yeah, after you do that, press on object mode, press add, press add, press camera, and then drag the camera wherever you want. And to see it, press the camera button here, and then you'll see it. So you can like move it to places and stuff, and all that. And then you can also rotate it. And if you want it to be even better, press toggle camera view, then press view, press navigation, press walk navigation, and then you can use WASD to like and your mouse to like change the position. And then click to make it stay there. Okay, after you've done all of those, make sure to press this top button, viewport shading, so it'll look a lot better. And if you want it to be like brighter and stuff, you could press on the sun, then press on you'll you'll be on wherever. Press on this bulb data, then press sun, and you could change the color, but I don't usually do that. Change this to either 10, maybe 15, maybe 20, whatever you want. But 5 looks weird, so you change it to 10 and then it's better. And then you press on this. And then if you want to save it, you're going to want to press render image, or you could just press F12. Then when the image renders, this is it. Then you can like press image, then press save as, name it whatever you want, put it into your normal downloads, and then yeah, that's it. So yeah.